Hay, buhay. Ang hirap ng engineering. Ang daming ginagawa. Ano ba itong mga to? Puro laro ginagawa. Ayaw magseryoso sa pag-aaral. Siguro mga bulakbol yan. Guys. Buti pa to si ate girl, nagre-review. Ganyan dapat ang tinutularan. Saludo ako sa'yo, te. Goods yan. Pagpatuloy mo lang.
Pre, kamusta ka na?
Okay lang ako, pre.
Parang ang lalim ng isip mo ngayon.
Wala, pre. May nakita kasi akong grupo ng lalaki, tatawanan, puro kalokohan ng alam. Ayaw ganahin si ate girl na nakita ko eh. Nagre-review. Alam naman na mahirap ang engineering, di ba?
Pag ganyan, pre, hindi ka dapat nagbabasa sa gender ng isang tao.
Hindi kasi, pre.
Pre, malay mo, ang mga lalaki na yon, nag-aaral pala ng mabuti. Nag-group study sila para pumasa sa engineering. Tapos, malay mo yung babae, puro jojowa lang alam. Kaya huwag tayo magbabasa sa gender, pre, kasi hindi naman natin sila kilala.
Gender stereotypes are preconceived and oversimplified ideas or beliefs about the roles, attributes, and behaviors deemed appropriate for men and women in a particular society. These stereotypes can be limiting and contribute to inequality. Examples include assuming that women are more nurturing or that men are more assertive. Challenging gender stereotypes involve promoting a more nuanced understanding of individuals, recognizing that capabilities and interests are not determined by gender. This effort aims to create a more inclusive and equitable society where people are free to pursue their goals and aspirations without being confined by societal expectations based on their gender. Remember, change often starts with individual actions. By consciously working to challenge gender stereotypes in your own life and advocating for inclusivity, you contribute to a more equitable and accepting society. Gender stereotype.
Gender stereotype.
Gender stereotype.
Gender
Gender stereotype.
stereotype.
Gender stereotype.